In this video, I'm going to show you how to change leverage in Exness app. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the bottom left and tap on accounts. And from here, as you can see, you can select which account you want to change the leverage of. So for example, here, I'm just going to use this demo standard. But if you want to use a different one, tap on that arrow at the top right, and you can basically switch to a different account where you want to change your leverage. Now, while you actually have your account selected, tap on details. So you can see those three dots here on the right, tap details. And then from here, you want to go to settings up top right, so the second tab, and here you can see it's going to say max leverage under standard account or whatever account you have. So just tap on max leverage, and from here, there's going to be basically a big leverage list. You can just go ahead and select which leverage you want, tap on it, and then you can just tap on yes over here, and it's going to change into that leverage. However, you can also set a custom leverage up top here, as you can see, and then set leverage at the bottom, and that's how you can do it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.